Choosing the right materials is a breeze, whether you're adjusting a single product or working through your room, job, or account settings. Take advantage of the same simple functionality. Need something precise? Use the search bar to enter a keyword, such as a specific brand like Polytech to view all options with that name. You can narrow things down even further by adding more details, such as material thickness or a specific finish, to find the exact match for your project. Once you select your material, the edge color will update automatically for a seamless look. Prefer a different edge color? No worries, simply search within the edge colors and make your pick. Working with wood grain materials like Tasmanian oak, you can set your preferred grain direction by toggling the checkbox below the selection, making sure the finish looks exactly how you want it. If you are unsure of what color or style you want, simply open the material browser and explore. You'll first see the available door styles, and once you pick a style, you'll see all the compatible materials at a glance. Hover over each material to select the thickness and finish that best suits your design. For a contrasting edge tape, just head over to the Edge Material tab and choose from the available options. If you're after a plain carcass unit without any exterior finish, so no door or drawer faces, there's a simple yes and no toggle when editing individual products. Or search for non-supply in the materials list. For carcasses, shop materials are your standard go-to. Just choose the thickness and style that works best for your build. With these flexible options, you're in total control of your project's look and feel. Whether you know exactly what you want or you're exploring new ideas, you'll find it's never been easier to get the perfect finish. Faster, smarter, and with absolute confidence.